Hello students, welcome to the lecture on Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss briefly about directional derivatives and examples related to the directional derivatives. So first we will see how to find the directional derivatives. Suppose a scalar potential function, that is pi of x comma y comma z is equal to c at any point p. So for any direction vector, that is vector A, such that del pi dot n cap is called directional derivative. So where this n cap is given by vector A divided by modulus of vector A. So we'll see how to solve the problems related to the directional derivatives. The problem is, find the directional derivatives of pi is equal to 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z at the point 2 minus 1 2 along 2I minus 3j plus 6k. So here the given pi vector is, the scalar potential is given by 4xz cube minus 3x square y square z. At the point, the point P is given by 2 minus 1 2 and the vector A is given by 2I minus 3j plus 6k. So take all the points first. So to find the directional derivative, we must have the gradient of the pi vector. So for that I am going to find the gradient of pi. So this gradient of pi is given by dou pi by dou x I cap plus dou pi by dou y j cap plus dou pi by dou z k cap. So del pi is given by, so differentiating pi with respect to x, I will be getting what? 4z cube minus 6xy square z I cap plus finding dou pi by dou y, I'll be getting 0 minus 6x square yz j cap. Finding dou pi by dou z, I'll be getting 12xz square minus 3xy square k cap. So now in this del pi, I'm going to replace the points x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 2. So after replacing the points in the del pi equation, so I'll be getting del pi is equal to 4 into 2 cube minus 6 into 2 minus 1 square into 2 I cap minus of 6 2 square minus 1 into 2 j cap, 12 into 2 2 square minus 3 into 2 square into minus 1 square k cap. So on simplifying this further, I'll be getting 32 minus 24 I cap plus 48 j cap plus 96 minus 12 k cap. So now on further simplification, this one I'll be getting del pi is equal to 8i plus 48j plus 84k. I will call this one as vector A. So and also given that the direction of the vector A is given by 2i minus 3j plus 6k. So from this I'm going to find the value of n cap. It is given by vector A divided by modulus of vector A. So I'll be getting what? N cap is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 6k and the modulus is given by square root of 4 plus 4 plus 36. On simplifying this further, I'll be getting 2i minus 3j plus 6k by 7 I will get it. So now I want to find the directional derivative. The formula is what? Del pi dot n or a dot n, as we can take it. Since I took the del pi is equal to a here, so I can take the formula like this also. So 8i plus 48j plus 84k dot with 2i minus 3j plus 6k by 7. Since here dot is there, multiplying I with I, j with j, k with k, I'll be getting 1 by 7 into 16 minus 144 plus 504. On simplifying this, I'll be getting the directional derivative as 376 by 7 is the required directional derivative for the given equation. One more example, find the directional derivative of xy cube plus yz cube at the point 2 minus 1 1 in the direction of I plus 2j plus 2k. So given that pi is equal to xy cube plus yz square and the points are given like 2 minus 1 1 and the direction of vector is given by I plus 2j plus 2k. So now from this one I am going to find the directional derivative. So to find the directional derivative, I must have the gradient of the given pi vector. So del pi is given by what? Dou pi by dou x I cap plus dou pi by dou y j cap plus dou pi by dou z k cap. So I'll be getting what? Dou pi by dou x will be y cube, dou pi by dou y will be 3y square x plus z cube j cap and dou pi by dou z will be 3z square y into k cap. So now I want to find this gradient of pi at the points 2 minus 1 1. In the problem I am going to replace x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 1. So after replacing these points in that gradient pi, I'll be getting minus I plus 3 into minus 1 square into 2 plus minus 1 whole cube into j cap plus 3 minus 1 1 square into k cap. So it will be equal to minus I plus 6 plus 1 plus j minus 3k cap. So further it will be getting minus I plus 7j minus 3k. So I will be calling this one as some vector A. And given that A is equal to I plus 2j plus 2k. So from this A vector, I am going to estimate the value of n cap. So n cap is given by what? Vector A divided by modulus of vector A. So I am going to replace the vector A here. I will be getting I plus 2j plus 2k divided by square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So I will be getting what? I plus 2j plus 2k by 3. On incorporating this value of n cap along with del pi, I'll be getting the directional derivative as a dot n cap. So it will be equal to minus I plus 7j minus 3k dot with I plus 2j plus 2k by 3. I will get it. Since here dot is there, I will be multiplying I with I, j with j, k with k. I'll be getting 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 14 minus 6. On simplifying this further, I'll be getting 7 by 3 is the required directional derivative for the given problem. One more example, find the directional derivative of the function pi is equal to x square plus y square plus 2z square at the points 1, 2, 3 along the direction of the line pq is equal to 4i minus 2j plus k. So same thing here also, first you estimate the value of grad pi and find the value of n cap also. So grad pi is given by the formula dou pi by dou x I cap, dou pi by dou y j cap plus dou pi by dou z k cap. On simplifying this one, I'll be getting 2x I cap, 2y j cap, 4z k cap. I want to estimate this del pi at the points 1, 2, 3. Replace x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 here. I'll be getting del pi is equal to some vector like 2i plus 4j plus 12k after taking the points x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. So now I want to find the n cap value in the direction of the vector 4i minus 2j plus k. So I'll be getting n cap is equal to vector pq divided by modulus of pq. It will be 4i minus 2j plus k by square root of 16 plus 4 plus 1. So it will be equal to 4i minus 2j plus k divided by square root of 21. So now I'm going to find the directional derivative. It will be equal to a dot into n cap. So 2i plus 4j plus 12k dot with 4i minus 2j plus k by square root of 21. So since your dot is there, multiplying I with I, j with j, k with k, I'll be getting 1 by root 21 into 8 minus 8 plus 12. The answer will be 12 by root 21. I will get it. Thank you.